Viking dishwasher VDW524 error code E01. How do I repair?
What happened just before your Viking dishwasher displayed this message?
It drained and didn't start.
How long has this been going on with your Viking dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
2 days. Cleaned inside drain fliter baskets, looked up the E01 code and don't understand how to repair or reset it.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, thank you for making your question to Just Answer. My name is Appliance-expert and I will try to help you with your particular inquiry. Please don't hesitate to contact me anytime or to make follow-up questions if needed.
Do you have an answer to my question?
E01 error means thete is no rinse. The warning comes on at the end of the cycle, if the water level in the tub is not correctly restored. Check that the hydraulic connections are correct and that the water tap is open. In this case, it is probably that the tap is obviously open, so there is a defective inlet valve. You will need special tools to replace the valve. The bad news is you cannot DIY repair, but it is a cheap repair which is worth the money.
Okay, thanks. I'll have to call a repair person.
You are welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.